we know that rank of a matrix T is equal to the dimension of range space. So with this equation rank T equals to rank T square, we get dimension of range space of T equals to dimension of range space of T square. Now in the question you see the linear transformation is from V to V, that is domain and codomain are the same. Now any vector V in this maps to TV. Since the range space is subspace of codomain, so RT, the range space of T, will be a subset of V. And again this time we do T square V, that will be, and these elements will be subset of RT square accordingly. So from here we have RT square, the range space of RT will be subset of RT. From 1 and 2 we have RT equals to RT square. Now so our option B is correct. Now let us check for A. For A, suppose V belongs to NT. This implies that TV equals to 0. This means that T square V equals to TTV equals to T, and at the place of TV we put 0 and this will be 0. So V belonging to NT leads to V belongs to NT square, because here you see that T square V is 0. So NT is a subset of NT square. Suppose this time a vector V belonging to NT square, this leads us to that T square V equals to 0. And from here, from this relation, T square V equals to TV, and so putting TV at the place of T square V, TV will be 0. This means that V is a member of NT, and you see that V, assuming V belonging to NT square, V belongs to NT. So NT is a subset of NT square is a subset of NT. From 3 and 4, NT equals to NT square. So option A is also correct. Now let us see option C. Option C, we know that 0 is a member of all vector space. So 0 belongs to NT as well as 0 belongs to RT. Now let us take another vector which is not equals to 0 but non-zero vector which is a member of, suppose which is a member of NT intersection RT. So V will be member of NT and V will be member of RT. V belongs to NT means TV equals to 0. But TV is a member of RT, range space of T, and here TV is 0. This means that 0 belongs to RT. But from here, from this assumption, we are not considering the 0 vector. So we got a wrong conclusion. This means that V not equals to 0 is not a member of NT intersection RT. This means that NT intersection RT is 0. So C is also correct. Now D is not always true, because for example you can verify this, you can see this. Take a linear transformation xyz to x minus y 0 z. For this linear transformation, the matrix is 1 minus 1 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 1. You see here, according to question, this matrix satisfies rank of T equals to rank of T square. But here the null space is 1 1 0, and you know 1 1 0 is not a 0 vector space as given in this option. So D is wrong. So correct options are A, B and C.